Welcome to DeBEE International, world leaders in homogenization. Over 20 years ago, our company was founded to advance the technology of homogenization and process machinery. Today, our products allow scientists to achieve unmatched results, creating better, novel products faster. Our top-of-the-line industrial equipment manufactures these products reliably and economically. We are experienced with every nuance of high-energy product processing. The DeBEE 4000 is the result of many years of development and worldwide field experience. Thank you for taking the time to consider our equipment for your manufacturing project. DeBEE International production systems have a modular design with two key advantages. First, our PLC synchronized intensifier pumps for constant pressure and unmatched scalability. Scale up is guaranteed. Second, our emulsifying cell controls the shear, cavitation and impact applied to your product for the tightest distribution of the best results in the least amount of time. Our customers need to produce the highest quality product with the lowest manufacturing cost. Minimal downtime is key. Only the DeBEE 4000 offers redundant intensifiers. Redundant intensifiers lowers the stroke rate, which reduces wear and maintenance costs. Additional intensifiers also puts your spare parts to work. If an intensifier has a problem during a production run, take it offline and continue the batch without interruption. The DeBEE 4000 HMI makes it easy to activate or deactivate intensifiers. The DeBEE 4000 has many features important for today's manufacturing. The HMI's high-quality graphics and touchscreen give the operator a realistic view for monitoring and make operation easy. Menu-driven maintenance, programmable alarms, security, real-time and historical trending, online PM schedules, data gathering and more make the DeBEE 4000 a leading-edge technology. The key word is quality. And that is what makes DeBEE International the world leader in homogenization. Call us to discuss your manufacturing needs.